Assalamu alaikum. Dear viewers, hope you all are doing well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I'm pretty well, Alhamdulillah. Today, at this moment, in this video, I'm going to talk about two important matters. But the first one is sentence connector, which one is a grammatical topic. Sentence connector can connect to sentence or to sentence easily and effectively and appropriately. If you wanna really learn speaking English, you have to know how to use sentence connector in sentence to connect two sentence or two or three sentence. If you don't know, you will get difficulty whenever you will try to say something or you will try to express your own words. So, dear brothers and sisters, and who are watching my video at this moment, you have to learn sentence connector. Like such an example, I can stand an example here. He is poor and he is honest. So I have to connect to sentence. I need a sentence connector. What should I use here? He is poor but honest. So but is a sentence connector here. Rafiq is a good boy. He is studying at university. Instead of learning or instead of studying, he always wastes his time. So here I have used instead of. Here instead of is a sentence connector. So maybe you are realizing that how important sentence connector is. The next thing is hidden talent. That is most important thing. You know, you guys, each and every person has a hidden talent. I have a hidden talent. You have a hidden talent. He has a hidden talent. She has a hidden talent. It has a hidden talent. I mean, everyone and every person have a hidden talent. But what is it? We have to identify it, or we have to detect our hidden talent. So most of the time we get hesitation, we get difficulty to identify our hidden talent. So the most important question, or the most eagerly waiting question is that what's my hidden secret and how can I identify my hidden secret? You guys, there are lots of people. There are well-wishers of yours. So you can ask to them, brother, please tell me, do you know anything which one I can take my do you get any hidden secret in front of me, or do you get any hidden talent in myself? And then he will be able to tell you what's your hidden talent, because he or she has been observing yourself for a long period of time. So they know best what is your talent. Maybe you don't know. If you know what is your talent, that is better. But if you don't know, you can take suggestion from them and you can work on it. And maybe you will be success. Actually, there is a very good speaker. There is a world-class speaker, I mean public speaker. He is Hitanjoya Hitachi. He comes from Sri Lanka and he got the first position of public speaking. Once he said, every person has a hidden talent. So we have to detect our hidden talent. Otherwise, it is not possible to be success in our life. Because if we want on our talent, we will be able to grow up easily. But if we work on something else that is not our talent, it would be very difficult to achieve or to grow ourselves, or what is say, what, how can I express it? Actually, it would be very difficult to be success in your life. So dear brothers and sisters and everybody who are watching me at this moment till now, please try to identify your hidden talent and try to grow up your hidden talent. Then you will be a successful person. Otherwise, you have to take failure, you have to have difficulty, you have to have obstacle. So dear brothers and sisters, maybe you got my words. Thank you all for hearing me till now. Bye bye.